In today's video, I'm going to show you how the Chrome extension for Taggbox works and what you need to know about it right now. First, it's important to note that the Taggbox Chrome extension is currently not available on the Chrome Web Store, so new users may not be able to install it at this time. If you already had it installed earlier, you can still check if it appears in your Chrome extensions list by clicking the puzzle icon in your browser toolbar. From there, if the extension is active, you would typically be able to use it to collect content directly from websites while browsing. The main purpose of the extension was to quickly save or capture content and send it directly to your Taggbox dashboard without switching tabs. However, since it's currently unavailable, the recommended way to collect and manage content is directly through your Taggbox dashboard using built-in features like feeds, sources, or manual content uploads. This ensures you can still build and manage your campaigns even without the Chrome extension. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.